You can select any combination of your entities across your Joiin subscription and run consolidated reports in real time. We're looking at a P&L report to begin with. So I'm going to go into here and I've got a list of all of my companies within my group, and I'm going to create a sub-consolidation of just these two companies. I can then decide the reporting currency. So at the moment we're looking at it in US dollars, but I'm going to choose British pounds, and Joiin will handle all of the currency behind the scenes for me. I can then decide what time period I'm looking at. So at the moment we're looking at this month, but let's say I want to see this financial year to date and then break that one down by company. So I'll apply those changes and Joiin will finish off that report for me. I've then got the layout option, which will allow me to decide how my report is designed. I've got a list of preset reports here, some of my custom layouts that I've created previously, and at the moment I'm just going to have a look at an EBITDA report. I can then go over here and decide how my eliminations are handled, and I'm going to remove my eliminations for the time being. So that's a quick look at how simple and easy it is to run a consolidated report within Joiin. Thank you very much.